Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET Plant Kingdom with previous year multiple choice questions from NEET and AIMS in between 2013 to 2019. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. Like, follow, and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the previous year multiple choice questions asked in NEET and AIMS examinations related to Plant Kingdom chapter. First question from NEET 2013. Select the wrong statement. First option, isogametes are similar in structure, function and behavior. Second option, anisogametes differ either in structure, function or behavior. Third option, in oomycetes, female gametes is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Fourth option, Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy and fucus shows oogamy. In this, the correct answer is third option. It is the incorrect statement. Isogametes are gametes which are similar in size and structure. Example, Cladophora. Anisogametes that are differ in structure or behavior such as small motile male spermatozoon and larger non-motile female ovum. Oomycetes or oogamous produce large non-motile gamete, it is egg cell, and small gamete, it is called sperm, it is motile in nature. Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy. In fucus, oogamy is present. These are the isogametes of Cladophora, anisogametes of fucus, oomycetes. In this, it is a large non-motile female gamete and it is small motile male gamete. Chlamydomonas shows either isogamy or anisogamy. In fucus, oogamy is present. Question number 2 from NEET 2013. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in first option Chlamydomonas, second option Spirogyra, third option Volvax, fourth option Fucus. The correct answer is second option Spirogyra. In Spirogyra, at the time of sexual reproduction, a single cell acts as a gametangia. In this, it is non-motile in nature, but this non-motile male gamete, it reach female gamete, it undergoes fertilization. These are non-motile in nature. Question number 3 from NEET 2013. Besides paddy field, cyanobacteria are also found in inside the vegetative part of first option Pinus, second option Cycas, third option Equisetum, fourth option Coleotum. The correct answer is second option Cycas. In Cycas, root is the vegetative part. It is associated with cyanobacteria. It is called coralloid roots. Inside this coralloid root, cyanobacteria, it is present in the form of algal zone. It helps in nitrogen fixation. Question number 4 from NEET 2013. Read the following statements from A to E and answer the question which follows them. Statement A. In liverworts, mosses and ferns, Gametophyte are free living. Statement B. Gymnosperms and some ferns are heterosporous. Statement C. Sexual reproduction in fucus, volvax, and albigo is oogamous. Statement D. The sporophyte in liverworts is more elaborate than that is in mosses. Statement E. Both Pinus and Mercantia are dioecious. In this, how many of the above statements are correct? Option 1, first 1. Option 2, 2. Option 3, 3. Option 4, 4 statements. The correct answer is third option. 3 statements are correct and remaining 2 are incorrect. In this, A, B and C statements are correct. D and E are incorrect. The sporophyte in mosses is more elaborate than that is in liverworts. Statement E. Pinus is monoecious gymnospermic plant. Both male and female cones occur on the same plant. But Mercantia, all are dioecious plants. In male and female plants are separately present. Question number 5 from NEET 2016. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of first option thick cuticle, second option presence of vessels, third option broad hardy leaves, fourth option superficial stomata. The correct answer is first option thick cuticle. In conifers, the plants have needle-like leaves. It reduces their surface area. It is one modification. In their transverse section, the entire leaf is covered with thick cuticle and stomatas are sunscreen type. Both this thick cuticle and sunscreen stomata, it helps to reduce water loss. It is one of the xerophytic adaptation present in conifers. Question number 6 from NEET 2016. Which one of the following statement is wrong? First option, agar agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Second option, Laminaria and Sargassum are used as a food. Third option, algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. Fourth option, algin is obtained from red algae and kerosene from brown algae. The correct answer is fourth option. It is the incorrect or wrong statement. Certain marine brown and red algae produces large amount of hydrocolloids. It is called water holding substances. Example, algin is isolated from brown algae and kerosene it is obtained from red algae which are commercially useful. Question number 7 from NEET 2017. An example of colonial algae is first option Volvax, second option Eulothrix, third option Spirogyra, fourth option Chlorella. The correct answer is first option Volvax. It is called colonial algae. So Volvax is a colonial algae. Question number 8 from NEET 2017. Life cycle of Ectocarpus and Fucus respectively are first option diplontic, haplodiplontic life cycle, second option haplodiplontic, diplontic life cycle, third option haplodiplontic life cycle, fourth option haplontic diplontic life cycle. The correct answer is second option. Interestingly, most of the algae genera are haplontic, but some of them such as Ectocarpus polysyphonia cales are haplodiplontic, but Fucus is an algae shows diplontic life cycle. Question number 9 from NEET 2017. Select the mismatch pair. First option Cycas dioecious. Second option Salvinia heterosporus. Third option Equisetum homosporus. Fourth option Pinus dioecious. In this mismatched pair is fourth option Pinus dioecious. Pinus is a monoecious plant having female cone and male cone on same plant. Question number 10 from NEET 2017. Zygotic meiosis is a characteristic of first option Fucus, second option Funaria, third option Chlamydomonas, fourth option Mercantia. In this the correct answer is third option Chlamydomonas. In the life cycle of Chlamydomonas, both gametes are fused to form a diploid zygote with the help of fertilization. After fertilization, the diploid zygote it undergoes meiosis division to form haploid spores. Question number 11 from NEET 2018. Which of the following statement is correct? First option, ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperms. Second option, Salacinella is heterosporous while Salvinia is homosporous. Third option, horsetails are gymnosperms. Fourth option, stem are usually unbranched in both Cycas and Cedrus. In this, we have to identify the correct statement. In this, the first option is the correct statement. Because gymnosperms have ovules, but it is not surrounded by ovary wall. But in angiosperms, ovules are surrounded by well-developed ovary wall. Salacinella and Salvinia, which produce two kinds of spores, macro and microspores, are known as heterosporous. The pteridophytes includes horsetails and ferns. The stem are unbranched in Cycas, branched in Pinus and Cedrus. Question number 12 from NEET 2018. Winged pollen grains are present in first option mustard, second option Cycas, third option mango, fourth option Pinus. Correct answer is Pinus. In Pinus, the pollen grains are winged type. In their structure, two wings are present. That is called winged pollen grains. It is seen in Pinus. Question number 13 from NEET 2018. Which one is wrongly matched? First option, uniflagellate gametes, Polysyphonia. Second option, biflagellated zoospores, brown algae. Third option, Gemma cup, Mercantia. Fourth option, unicellular organisms, Chlorella. In this, the wrongly matched one is first option, uniflagellate gametes, Polysyphonia. In Polysyphonia, gametes are produced in sexual reproduction, but these are non-motile in nature. Question number 14 from NEET 2019. Pinus seeds cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because of first option, its embryo is immature. Second option, it has obligate association with mycorrhizae. Third option, it has very hard seed coat. Fourth option, its seeds contain inhibitors that prevents germination. The correct answer is second option. It has obligate association with mycorrhizae. In Pinus, The roots are associated with fungus. It is called mycorrhiza. These mycorrhiza, it helps to absorb water and minerals from soil. During seed germination also, the seeds need association of fungi because when the fungus associated with seeds, it helps in the absorption of water. With the help of this water, the seeds it will be germinated. Question number 15 from NEET 2019. Phloem in gymnosperms lacks. First option, albuminous cells and sieve cells. Second option, sieve tubes only. Third option, companion cells only. Fourth option, both sieve tubes and companion cells. The correct answer is third option. In gymnosperms, xylem vessels, that is sieve tubes, are absent in xylem and companion cells are absent in phloem. The previous year multiple choice questions from AIMS related to plant kingdom. First question. Coralloid roots of cycas is distinguished from angiosperms root by. It is the question asked in AIMS 2013. Option A, absence of pit. Option B, having xylem tissue. Option C, absence of algal zone. Option D, presence of algal zone. In this, the correct answer is option D, presence of algal zone. In the transverse section of cycas coralloid roots, in cortex region, the cyanobacteria, it forms algal zone. It helps to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Question number 2 from AIMS 2014. If the cells of root in wheat plant has 42 chromosomes, then the number of chromosomes in cells of pollen grain is option A 14, option B 21, option C 28, option D 42. The correct answer is option B. Bread wheat, it is called Triticum aestimum. In this, the number of chromosomes 2n is equal to 6x. That means a wheat cell, it is hexaploidy in nature, it having 6 copies of its 7 chromosomes. 42 chromosomes are totally present. In pollen grain, the chromosome number reduced to half, that become 21. The number of chromosomes in the cell of pollen grain is 21 because pollen grains are haploid in nature. Match the following. Question number 3 from AIMS 2016. Column 1, column 2, class with example. In column 1, A, Ceratopsida, B, Lycopsida, C, Sphenopsida, D, Pteropsida. In column 2, examples. First one, Diapteris, Pteris, Adiantum. Statement 2, Equisetum. 3, Selaginella. 4, Lycopodium. 5, Silotum. In this, correct answer is A. The pteridophytes are further classified into 4 classes. Coelopsida example Silotum, Lycopsida example Selaginella Lycopodium, Sphenopsida example Equisetum, and Pteropsida example Diapteris Pteris Adiantum. Question number 4 from AIMS 2016. Assertion. Member of Phaeophyce vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown. Reason. Phaeophyce possess chlorophyll A, C, carotenoid and xanthophylls. In this, the correct answer is if both assertion and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation to assertion. Phaeophyce members possess chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids and xanthophylls. Members of Phaeophyce shows varies in color from olive green to different shades of brown depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigments. Question number 5 from AIMS 2017. Consider the following statements regarding the major pigments and stored food in different group of algae and choose the correct option. First statement. In chlorophyce, the stored food material is starch and the major pigments are chlorophyll A and B. Statement 2. In phaeophyce, laminorin is the stored food material and major pigments are chlorophyll A and B. Third statement. In rhodophyce, Floridian starch is the stored food and the major pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D and phycoerythrin. The options are first is correct but 2 and 3 are incorrect. Option B, 2 and 1 and 2 are correct but 3 is incorrect. Option C, first and 3 are correct but 2 is incorrect. Option D, third is correct but 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option D. Third statement is correct but second and first statement are incorrect. In chlorophyce, the stored food material is starch and the major pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. In phaeophyce, laminorin is the stored food material and pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Question number 6 from AIMS 2019. It is a diagrammatic question. In this, we have to identify 1, 2, 3 and 4 diagrams in correct order. The first option is the correct one. The first one is Porphyra. Second diagram is Polysiphonia. Third diagram is Chara. And fourth diagram is Dictyota. Question number 7 from AIMS 2019. Which of the following are zoospores? Option 1, Salvinia equisetum. Option 2, Salvinia lycopodium. Option 3, Salaginella salvinia. Option 4, Lycopodium equisetum. The correct answer is second option, Salvinia and Lycopodium. These are zoospores in nature. Salvinia and Lycopodium. Question number 8 from AIMS 2019. Assertion. Heterospory and retention of female gametophyte are responsible for origin of seed habit in Salaginella. Reason. Coleotum is a living fossil. Out of these 4 options, second option is correct if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is the not correct explanation of assertion. Salaginella produce 2 kinds of spores like macro and micro, known as heterosporous. The female gametophyte is in these plants retained on the parental sporophyte for variable period. It is the correct one. The coleotails has often to be called living fossils. These are the questions asked from previous year NEET and AIMS examination. It is useful to understand the chapter at different levels. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos to your students and friends.